How to switch rooms in Homestyler. Switching between rooms in Homestyler is a simple but essential part of organizing and navigating your design project. When working with multiple rooms or levels, you'll often need to jump back and forth to adjust layouts, furniture, or materials. Start by entering your design and switching to 2D or 3D floor view. To switch focus to another room, just click on the room area. Homestyler will automatically highlight the selected space, and its properties will load on the right panel. If you've labeled your rooms, this process becomes even easier. You can use the room name list or click directly on the name to select and edit it. In 3D mode, orbit the camera around and use zoom controls to get into tight spaces. You can also use the camera bookmarks, feature to save views of specific rooms. Perfect for quickly switching between zones. Want an easier way to manage complex projects? Join Homestyler for free using the link in the description. It gives you access to features like advanced room grouping and layer control. Switching rooms frequently helps. Keep your workflow fluid and prevents missing small but important design details. Practice this and your design process becomes a lot more efficient.